Hi, I'm Marna, and I got more trail mail, and I wanted to show you, even though I've already done an unboxing on the same type of troll and how to make their hair and a review, I thought I'd show you what just came in the mail. These are so cute. Look at that sweater. Oh, I love these. They have the tags on the back of these. But I wanted to show you, I think this might be, well, I love the Christmas sweater. Christmas and the decor is kind of my thing, but look at that cute blue and white sweater. Now, how cute would turquoise and white hair be for one of these? You can go see the review on the doll itself and the how to make traditional hair. I also have another video on how to make the long flowing hair. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.